The continuous improvement system is very small compared to the other systems. And we're going to look at this search page to start with. And we have our continuous improvement list here, where we have the reference, then our title, improvement type, which is our own list, date raised, raised by, the impact rating, that's quite important, the owner, and then the status. So by default, it's sorted by the status, and you can click on the sort to sort by any of those other elements. If you click on the drop down next to the column, we can choose which statuses we want to look at. So if we want to find completed ones, we can tick complete and click go, and they'll be found. One other thing we can do is click this drop down here and export to Excel. And when we do that, we'll get this Excel file, which will be exactly the same as the search results in case we wanted to do any of our own reporting. We click into the reference to go and view that change, or we can create our own change by clicking create change there. So the first question is, what is our title? So this is a system change that I wanted to do. What's the improvement type? So it will be a bit of a process efficiency for the users. We can add our own improvement types. Click add, type one into there. But we'll leave it as process efficiency for now. Who was it raised by? Me. What impact will it have? So it will have a minor impact. It's going to certainly help people understand how it works. So let's keep that there. Who is the owner? So it's going to be me still. And what are the details of that change? Now that says it all really for me, but you can put in more detail here if it requires more details. And then more importantly, what is the proposed impact? So this is like your business justification as to why is this important? And it's important because it will make the system easier to use. It will stop the user from having to switch screens, and it will stop the user from having to start creating an action from scratch. So that's the impact. So I'll still rank that as minor because, you know, it's not saving anybody's life. So we're going to click save to that. So once it's saved, then we go into the view change. I'm going to follow that up with another video. So we go back to the changes. That's where we search and we can create up in that top corner.